A healthy heart is vital to overall good health. Heart disease is a serious condition that affects millions and a major cause of death among men. It affects nearly every age group and is responsible for over half of all deaths each year. It occurs when plaque builds up inside arteries, restricting blood flow to the heart muscle. This causes chest pain, irregular heartbeat, and other symptoms. There are many different types of heart problems. Most people will experience at least one episode of heart trouble during their lifetime. However, there are several things you can do to help keep your heart healthy. 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables has been shown to lower blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. It also helps prevent obesity, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is an essential part of maintaining good heart health. In fact, exercise is one of the best ways to improve your overall health. Exercise helps reduce stress and strengthens muscles throughout the body. Regular exercise also improves cardiovascular function. If you're not exercising regularly, start by walking briskly for 30 minutes at least 5 times per week. You can gradually build up to longer periods of exercise as your fitness improves. 3. Quit smoking. Quitting smoking is one of the easiest steps you can take to improve your heart health. Smoking has been linked to more than 100 diseases and conditions, including cancer, emphysema, and heart disease. These substances build up inside arteries, causing them to narrow and harden. There are plenty of reasons why quitting smoking is so beneficial, including reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, improving blood pressure, and lowering cholesterol levels. Smoking damages the lining of the lungs and reduces oxygen intake. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight puts extra strain on the heart and makes it work harder. If you are overweight, you are at greater risk for developing high blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes. 5. Control high blood pressure. High blood pressure raises the risk of heart attack and stroke. High blood pressure, hypertension, is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. It affects more than 1 billion people globally and contributes to nearly 7 million deaths each year. Hypertension is defined as having a systolic blood pressure greater than 140 millimeters of mercury or diastolic blood pressure greater than 90 millimeters of mercury. To lower your blood pressure, eat less salt and more fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods. 6. Manage stress. A healthy lifestyle includes managing stress. This means taking care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. You should also make sure to sleep enough and manage your emotions. Stress can lead to weight gain and sleep disturbances. To manage stress, try to relax regularly and avoid negative thoughts. If you find yourself feeling stressed out, take some deep breaths and focus on something else. 7. Know your numbers. If you have any symptoms of heart disease, such as chest pain, shortness of breath, dizziness, or fainting, call emergency support immediately, and you should also see your doctor right away. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.